If your iPhone is performing slowly, then it may indicate that the battery might not be working. A damaged battery needs an immediate replacement. But, only professional hands can perform iPhone battery replacement more accurately. For the most trusted help, you can ask iTech Xpress, the most dependable solution provider. They help with detailed step-by-step instructions produced by their experienced technicians. They offer free diagnostic services for iPhones. For details about their assistance, browse itechexpressinc.com and check. Or simply call 626-777-4747 and book a free assessment with them. So, if your iPhone screen got sudden damage, ask them and ensure your iPhone get the same treatment that it deserves.